How to change button next to spacebar on Grammarly keyboard. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to change the button next to the spacebar on your keyboard on Grammarly. So all what you have to do is just go to Grammarly. Now this is the home page. Choose the first option, it's keyboard customization, and it will take you to this page. Now all what you have to do is just go down until you find the button next to spacebar option. Click on it like this, and now choose the button that you want, emoji or dictation. Click on it and it will be changed easy and fast. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the end. See you later.